What if Google's newest foldable phone offered more power, better battery life, and a lower price than Samsung's latest flagship? That's what the leaked specs of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold suggest, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Unlike past Pixel foldables that lean more on software than raw specs, this one seems to strike a balance. Starting with the display, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold features an 8-inch primary OLED screen with a resolution of 2150 by 2076 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, alongside a 6.4-inch secondary OLED panel that also runs at 120 Hz and reportedly reaches up to 3000 nits in brightness. That means clearer viewing, even under bright sunlight. Inside, it's powered by the all-new Google Tensor G5 processor and comes with 16 GB of RAM, all configurations, which is rare even in the high-end foldable space. For storage, users can pick from 256 GB, 512 GB, or a massive 1 TB option, giving it flexibility that rivals often reserve for more expensive models. Now, let's talk about cameras. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to carry over the same solid setup from its predecessor, including a 48 megapixels main camera, a 10.5 megapixels ultra-wide shooter, a 10.8 megapixels telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and dual 10 megapixels front and cover cameras. While Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 may boast a 200 megapixels main sensor, Google's camera strength has always been its computational photography, not just raw numbers. But the real standout spec here is the battery. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is said to feature a 5015 mAh battery, which is significantly larger than the 4400 mAh unit in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. That could mean longer screen time and more freedom from the charger, a big deal for anyone using a foldable as their daily driver. On top of that, it supports 23-watt wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, offering decent speed to top it off. Another win is water and dust protection. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is reportedly rated IP68, meaning it can handle full submersion in water and is completely dust-tight. That's not always standard in foldables and could make this one more durable over time. Even with all these upgrades, the pricing rumors are where it gets even more interesting. Multiple reports hint that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold could launch in the United States with a starting price between $1,599 and $1,799 US, which is the same or even slightly less than the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. If true, that could undercut the Galaxy Z Fold 7 by at least $200, offering better battery life, more RAM, and possibly better thermal efficiency at a lower price. Of course, there's still a lot we don't know, like the final weight and thickness of the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Some say it might be a bit chunkier than Samsung's ultra-slim foldable, which could be a trade-off for that larger battery, but for many users, that's worth it. If the phone performs well in real-world use, a few extra grams won't matter. All things considered, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold looks like it's ready to give Samsung some serious competition in the foldable space. With a powerful chip, bright displays, huge battery, and smart pricing, it checks a lot of the right boxes. Whether you're a Pixel fan or just want more out of your next foldable without spending a fortune, this could be the phone to watch. For more updates on the Pixel 10 Pro Fold and how it stacks up against the competition, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be covering everything as it unfolds.
What if Apple is about to redefine budget smartphones with its upcoming release? A leaked video has given us a sneak peek into the next generation of the iPhone SE, rumored to be called the iPhone 16e. But is this phone just another budget option, or could it be a game changer for 2025? Let's explore what the leaks reveal. The video, which appears to showcase either a dummy unit or a non-functional prototype, highlights a striking design change for the iPhone SE. On the front, it closely resembles the iPhone 14, complete with the iconic notch that Apple introduced years ago. But flip it around and you'll notice something different: a single rear camera. While the iPhone 14 featured a dual camera setup, this model opts for simplicity, likely to keep costs in check. But don't let the single camera fool you. Apple is reportedly packing the new iPhone SE with 8 gigabytes of RAM, a big jump from its predecessors. Why does this matter? More RAM means smoother performance, and it's essential for running Apple's artificial intelligence features. AI has been Apple's focus recently, and it's no surprise that they're integrating these advancements into their most affordable lineup. This decision makes the iPhone SE more than just a budget device. It's shaping up to be a powerhouse in its category. Interestingly, the leaked video also clears up some earlier speculation about pixel-like casings. Those casings, which some believe were for the iPhone SE4, are not related to this model at all. Instead, they might belong to another rumored device, perhaps the iPhone 17 Air. Although we can't confirm this yet, it does add an extra layer of intrigue to Apple's future releases. One of the most groundbreaking features of the iPhone SE4 is expected to be Apple's in-house cellular modem. If this new modem performs well, it could become a standard feature in the upcoming iPhone 17 series. This shift is significant because it reduces Apple's dependence on third-party suppliers for critical components. It's a bold move that could save the company money in the long run and potentially lead to better connectivity performance for users. But here's the question everyone is asking. Will the new iPhone SE maintain its affordability? Rumors suggest that it might be slightly more expensive than the previous model, but Apple fans are optimistic that it will still be one of the most cost-effective ways to enter the iOS ecosystem. With current iPhone SE stocks running low in stores worldwide, it's clear that Apple is preparing to unveil the next generation very soon. This brings us to another interesting point. Should Apple have kept the older iPhone SE around at a reduced price? Many believe that a lower-cost option could have attracted even more budget-conscious buyers. However, Apple seems confident in its strategy, betting that the new features and design will justify the price increase. Looking at the bigger picture, the iPhone SE4, or iPhone 16e as it's rumored to be named, could be Apple's chance to shine in a year when other releases have fallen short. The iPhone 16 lineup didn't quite live up to expectations, and even the Galaxy S25 left tech enthusiasts unimpressed. If Apple plays its cards right, the iPhone SE4 could be the standout budget phone of 2025. So, what's your take? Will the iPhone SE4 redefine what a budget smartphone can offer, or will it fall short of expectations? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated on all the latest tech news, leaks, and insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Is it really an upgrade if most people can't tell the difference? That's the main thought circling after fresh leaks revealed nearly full spec sheets for Google's upcoming Pixel 10 Pro and Pixel 10 Pro XL. If you were hoping for a big change this year, you might be disappointed. These phones look and feel almost like last year's Pixel 9 Pro series, with only a few minor tweaks here and there. The Pixel 10 Pro will still offer a 6.3-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2856 by 1280 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It will also hit up to 3000 nits of brightness and come with Gorilla Glass Victus to protection. Basically, the display is nearly a copy of the one in the Pixel 9 Pro. Inside, the biggest change is the new Tensor G5 chip. Unlike last year's chip, which was built using Samsung's 4nm process, this one is